Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. If you're looking for the next evolution in mechanical keyboards, especially one that's built for both gamers and typists with ultimate customization in mind, then let me introduce you to the Keychron Q1 HE, a wireless custom mechanical keyboard with Hall Effect magnetic switches and rapid trigger tech that pushes the boundaries of what a keyboard can do. Let's start with what makes this keyboard truly revolutionary: the Gateron double-rail Hall Effect magnetic switches. These aren't your standard mechanical switches, they use magnetic actuation, which allows for rapid trigger functionality. That means your keystrokes can register and reset without needing to fully release the key, giving gamers an insane edge in speed, especially in fast-paced FPS titles or competitive MOBAs. But it's not just about gaming. The Q1 HE is also a dream for creators, coders, and typists. It features QMK via compatibility, so you can reprogram every key, assign macros, and build multiple custom layouts for different workflows. Plus, it's hot-swappable, meaning you can change switches without soldering, freedom to fine-tune your tactile experience anytime. When it comes to connectivity, the Q1 HE doesn't hold back. You've got 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth 5.1, and wired USB-C, making it compatible with Mac, Windows, and Linux out of the box. And yes, Keychron includes both Mac and Windows keycaps, a nod to their dedication to universal support. Build quality absolute tank. It sports an anodized CNC aluminum body, gasket-mounted internals for a softer, more refined typing experience, and south-facing RGB lighting that looks stunning, especially through the shine-through keycaps. And let's not forget, this keyboard is custom built, so whether you want to change out the switches, tweak your key map, or fine-tune actuation points via software, you can make this board entirely yours. It's not just a keyboard, it's a precision input device for serious users. So if you're chasing performance, precision, and total customization, the Keychron Q1 HE is a future-proof choice. Check out the Amazon link below for current pricing, and don't forget to subscribe to Gadgetverse for your daily dose of elite tech.